sticks in for that fire, and they're also building some more track. And so I pulled out all these roots, and this is just a quick update for the new track. And the fire has gone down after a while. It was up a lot earlier.
So is today track rebuild day?
Yeah, mostly. Found a lot of wood over here. Ow! At least.
So what kind of things should people expect to see on your channel soon?
Some globe liner RC stuff.
Yeah, we might get that
We're
sometime.
gonna get that sometime. My dad said maybe, and now we said yes. We're gonna get it some point in time.
What do we have?
$479. If you think that's cheap enough, if you want it, you can just get it on Amazon. We're searching it up. Yeah. On A-Main Hobbies is what I meant.
Where are we going in April?
We're going to Psycho Nitro.
Is that going to be awesome?
Yeah.
Why don't you get people to comment if they want us to get merch? What do you think? With your logo.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah. I'll think of something.
You'll think of something. Okay. This was just a quick update.
Yep.
Track rebuild time. This is awesome. Do you think the bumps are going to be tricky or fun?
Fun and tricky.
Fun and tricky.
But
All right.
we'll go show the track, even though there's skid steering. Let's go show them the track.
Okay.
So right here, they've got a small jump. They jump here at an angle.
Right.
You'll nosedive over there if you're not careful.
Right.
Which there's also a big tricky part.
You're gonna fall.
This is really tricky. And I don't know where this leads, but at least it'll lead over there.
Donnie, come here. Come here. Donnie. Come here. Come here. See.
Probably onto that jump. Or maybe straight, and I'll go that way. It's here, so we have to go over this way. So,
Hurry, Donnie. Go, go, go.
Go here.
Donnie, don't go that way. Come here.
I don't know which way they go, but at one point you'll go on these jumps.
Yep.
Yeah, at one point you'll eventually get on this jump.
Yep. All right. That was a quick update. You should see some racing footage soon, okay? What do you tell everybody?
Bye.
Bye.
I know I'm on the ground, even though this is a weird outro.
Bye.
And hit the like button on every single video and subscribe.
That's right.